Assalamu alaikum. It's Layan Borghol here. I'm 5 years old. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. May Allah accept all your prayers in this Ramadan. Wishing you a blessed Ramadan. Today, I'm gonna read a story written by me. But first, if you like my video, give me so much likes, a bunch, and share it with your friends on YouTube. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Chula. She's 5 years old, just like me, and she loves Ramadan. Her mom told her that you need to do something about Ramadan, like praying, not lying, fasting, helping the elders, not saying something bad words. One day, Tula loves Ramadan. One day she smelled her favorite juice, carrot juice. She walked in the kitchen, opened the refrigerator, and found her favorite juice, carrot juice. Then she drank all of it, then put it in its place and not left a simple drop. Then she rushed into her room, and then her mom came in to cook dinner. She opened the refrigerator and found that no carrot juice. She said, "Who did it?" Then she said, "Of course it's gonna be Chula. Chula loves carrot." Then Chula remembered that she never lied at her mom. That's wrong. Then she went back to her mom and told her, "Oh, Mom," and she was feeling guilty. "Oh, Mom, I'm so sorry. I drank all the carrot juice. This is the first time I did that. Please forgive me. I drank it, please." Then her mom forgave her and told her, "Okay, my sweetie, I will forgive you. But remember, God subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching you everywhere, anytime, any second. And you guys, remember, don't lie at your mom. It's wrong." That was all. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoy it. May this Ramadan be the one and best ever. And you guys, remember, if you like my video, give me so much likes and bunch and share it with your friends. Bye.